Hey, so this is something new. I was not gonna lie, kind of disappointed in a game developer, and I was like, you know what? If you don't like something, try doing it yourself. So, bought this book, Learn C++ Quickly from Code Quickly. Gonna try following it. So step one. Okay. This is kind of a predicament. I gotta read the book while also having enough room for my keyboard. Wow, we're off to a fantastic start. This is fantastic. This is great. This work? Okay, so let's write your first program, first launch Visual Studio. Bada bing, dude, I'm so smart. Okay. Some more words. Pre-processed libraries. I think I got those. Function. The fuck? Dude, we're off to a fantastic start. The main function is usually executed after some OS related preparations take place before you give any control, for example, input and output. Okay, so this is just like telling me the background, like C++, and how to do it. Okay, the standard namespace is part of C++ internals, but what is it exactly? The best way to explain this, huh? Best way to explain what? Best way to explain this is with a real life example. Let's say you're visiting a friend at a hospital. The receptionist tells you that your friend is in room 204 in building A. When you arrive at building A, you're then told that your friend is not there and that he is in another building A on the opposite side of the hospital. It's really relatable, actually. In real life, this could never happen. Buildings and hospital complexes will have unique names, such as Building A, B, so on. There are never two Building A's. Same applies to street names. Same applies to programming. Namespace is the standard for declaring names that are created for the sake of disambiguation. For example, sin, input, count, output. Okay, so it's C input like C++ input, so sin. And then the same without, I don't need to explain that. Are part of the STD namespace, which is the standard namespace. So this standard. STD means standard. 100%. Each one requires put an output. STD. Those colons are semicolons. I'll say they're colons. Greater, your input, greater, STD, colon, and 1. Semicolon. Okay. I'm gonna make a sticky note that you'll not be able to see. Okay. Okay. So sin. Count. Less than. Less than. Sin. Wow. Okay. STD count, so standard output or standard C output. Hello world. Less than less than. Int main. That. Okay. Okay. So std : and L is end of the line. May also use /in. It's the wrong slash. Is that a / or backslash? What's the difference? What's a /? What? A /. Okay, so that's a backslash in. I'm so smart. Comment. Okay. Two / is how you comment. Ooh. Okay, so if you look at this, that's a shit ton of comments. Look at that. Also minimize them. Sweet. But it's int main. Is that like integer? Okay. Okay, let's try something out really quick. The fuck did I just do? Oh, dude, I'm a monster. What is that? Let's run it. Hey, see, everything worked normal because I didn't code it. Hell yeah, dude. Oh no. What is this? Okay. Is it okay to even do spaces? I have to go for it. Peeps. Wow. Look at me. So smart. Is that though? Oh well. Okay. Okay. First, need to include C++ input and output library name IOStream. That's already included. Include IOStream. I remember that. Just saves you time, as this code is already written for you. Now we want to create a variable. We'll explain all that you need to know about variables shortly. The first variable will be integer. Got that right? I'm smart. It will represent age in this case. So let's type inside main. Let's get rid of this. Do I look like a child? No. Get that out of here. Okay. Int age. Okay. First variable will be integer. Okay, int age. So let's do this. Let's listen to the book. Okay. Age is a variable of an integer type. And frowny face. Nope. That one? Yep. Int. Hey, why doesn't this minimize? What are you doing? Are these tabs? I don't know what those are. At this point, I'm just too afraid to ask. So tabs. Or is it 3 spaces? Yeah, it doesn't matter. Okay, and main. Int age. Okay. We want to print something into the console. We already mentioned that we're using a pre-built library, IOStream, which manages inputs and outputs. We will use std count for output and std send for input. The less than or greater operators are part of the Send and count syntax and are used as shown here. So it's saying type in std. The fuck is that? Count. How old are you? STD : that's it. STD : and 1 semicolon. STD abort. What the fuck? Send greater age colon. Now we can output the age of the user to the console and add any text we want. Okay. Okay, so it's saying I already made a mistake here. I need to do enter. Okay. Now it's saying, is it necessary to have all these spaces though? Count. What's this? Wow. We're the same age. Wow. I am also age. Oh yeah, I forgot the space here. Here. There's no space at the start of this, I'm a fool. Years old. Wow. How about that? Why is there another okay, I guess it's not a question. It's TD. Wait. I learned this. There we go. It's forwarding, right? Hell yeah, dude. So smart. Should work, right? Yeah, we shouldn't walk before we run, but, you know, what's life without a little whimsy? Let's try it. Okay, it says this should look like this. Should we? Okay, now compile. Okay, so I fucked up. Where did I fuck up? Okay, I fucked up here. That's for show. Fucked up there. Never forget the semicolon. Moral of the story. Let's try it again. Fuck. Okay. Now I'm just foolish. This thing's making me look foolish. Such a fool. Okay, let's go with the original one. CD and 1. Okay. Saying this is what it should look. Okay, well, another space, just for good luck. Saying I'm wrong. Okay, where am I going wrong with this? Okay. Old undeclared identifier. There's no autocorrect for this. Okay. Syntax error. Is there a way to clear these? I'm gonna clear these. Yeah. Hitting delete didn't work. Ooh. Wait, I made that mistake? What is this, amateur hour? The fuck? Okay. Nope. How's this exclamation point an issue? Don't understand. Okay. It's actually saying bring this down here. But I'm not entirely sure why. It's saying do this. This would be. I think that's just an issue with the page, to be honest. So I'll put it back up here. Oh, grammar mistake here. Don't I look foolish? How old are you? STD and 1 colon. That's looking good. STD sin. C plus plus input greater age colon semicolon. STD count. Some less than, wow, we are the same age. I am also space. Okay, let's try it out. Nope. Is it saying I have to? Okay. Well, if it says so, now who am I to judge? Didn't think that was gonna fix it. Okay, it says line 16, N1 undeclared identifier. The fuck does it mean by that? I don't understand. It's super declared. My voice cracked. My voice cracked again. Okay. Include IOStream int main. We got that. Int age colon C cal less than. How old are you? The fuck? Okay. This thing's gotta be fucking with me. What the fuck? Say an expression not used. Eh? I typed out exactly what they typed out. As instructed. So, do a new one. Let's just do a brand new project. Let's go fucking cold turkey on this bad boy. Let's call it Learn 2. How do I get my shit on here? Hey, hey. Uh, file open. File open. Ooh. Three errors. Line 11. Namespace std has no member end one. Why is it lying? It says end one in this book. Is it end L? Let's try it. It's not end L. Not end I. It's very clearly end one. Is there like a passage in here about end ones? STD namespace. Okay. So do this. Saying it doesn't work. CD has no member end one. So let's do this. It's end L? Does this book say end one? Okay, let's correct some of the spelling mistakes. Okay. Let's do this. Didn't work. Only 15 errors though. Missing a semicolon there. Let's try it. There's no way it leads me astray. Yeah, and what's your opinion? We'd make that a semicolon too? Sure, why not? Let's just fucking do what you want. Yeah? Is the solution just semicolons? Holy moly. Jesus Christ. This is a madhouse. This is a fucking circus. Jesus. I got it to work. Oh, Jesus, I'm a genius. Okay. Can't see this on my screen, but it asks me, how old are you? It says 10. Wow, we're the same age. I am also 10 years old. How about that? It's because I had two fucking apostrophes. That's where it all went down. I'm a fucking idiot. But hey, we got it. First code I put out. Nice. Or my first program. STD count, how old are you? So count less than quotation mark phrase less than STD and L colon. The input is the number they ask me. Are the inputs what they ask me, and then I could use that input at a separate space for like use for phrasing. You do have to include spaces within the quotes. And then you have to do the less and less than for the output to work properly. Nice. Okay, it says hashtag include pch.h. And it says I do not need to include STDs anymore. Let's try it. Apparently it should still work. Does it still need the colons is the real question now. Okay. Space STD. Let's try it. Oh, I was gonna do this out of curiosity. I didn't think it was necessary. It's asking me to do it. I can't even spell space. I'm trying to code over here. I can't even spell space. What a fool. Cannot open source file pch.h. Space STD. What's wrong with it? There's no such directory. Shouldn't be an issue. Weird. I'll just continue using that for now. Now let's solve this first, actually. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it seems like it's the way I have it set up. So it's not an in-house system issue, it's just a system, or just the way that I like didn't set up the like pre-compiled header or something. Okay. click on the project solutions. Hmm. Okay, this is something I'll just have to figure out at a later time. Let's do STD. Let's knock this bad boy out. It's really not that complicated. So once I add it at a later time, it should be fixed. Okay. Just have to do that at a later time. Sticky note. Okay, wait, let's finish that thought though. Using namespace std. Space std. std. Okay. Okay. Okay, saying structures may be complex, but the basics are simple. Served keywords, operators, punctuation. First, let's get to know these core elements. C++ for reserved keywords. 95 keywords such as break, case, catch, try. Like dodgeball. Duck, dive, dodge, drip, drop. C only uses 32. Python only uses 33. It says look online for references. Jesus Christ. Okay, operators are a core part of how C++ functions. They can be powerful. Operators in C++ are defined as symbols, but are also as words. For example, the operator size of, which we will introduce in a minute, performs different operations and serves different properties. Different operators, logical operators, mathematical, relational, conditional, bitwise, assignment, size of. I was like, I need coffee right now. Out here talking that crazy. We'll go over most of these types. Okay. And now they're talking about assignment operators. Okay. So there's strings. So you can assign values to strings. Let's not do it that way because there we go. Okay. The equal operator. Forget what you learned in elementary school. Like other mathematical operators you're familiar with, and which you're having presented above, the equal operator is a bit different. We will discuss that. You don't need to tell me you're discussing it multiple times. It's not the same as equal to. C++ is used to assign operators, so if, for example, we write the line code below, a equals 5, a is not equal to 5. It is assigned the number 5. B assigned to 4. C equals a plus b. Okay. Equal to assigns value. We're not checking if a is equal to 5 or b is equal to 4. We are assigning to a the value 5, b to the value 4, c to the value of a plus b, and finally a is not equal to c. Dude, this thing just said fucking, okay. So equal means equal to. And I guess cell phone in German is handy. You know? Like, jerk off. Yeah, that's funny to me. Okay. B plus 3 is equal to B plus 2. Oh. What the fuck? Okay. Okay. So, write this shit down over here. Plus is plus. Minus is minus. Multiplication is star. Divide is /. What the fuck is a modulo? That's made up. That's not a real thing. Fucking modulo. Modulo. It's percent. See some examples of these. Okay. So let's look at these. A equals 25, or A is assigned 25, B is assigned 42, X is assigned 3. I is assigned to A plus B, so 25 plus 42, 67. B is assigned A minus X. Now B will be assigned 22. Okay. Compound assignments. Okay. So compound assignments assign variables while also performing mathematical operations. Okay, example. X plus sine plus sine y the same as X assigned X plus y. relational operators. Z is smaller or equal to 4. Okay. Smaller. Bigger. Not. Operands. C less than equal 4. C is smaller equal to 4. Okay. So this is super boring to watch because it's just a still screen since I'm not typing anything. Okay. I know. I know. Okay. 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 That's enough coding learning for one day. I need to bookmark that shit. It's